Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. I just realized that I haven't done a video like this, sitting down talking to you guys, in like over a year. It's so crazy, but I just wanted to make this quick little video showing you guys what I found at the Dollar Tree, and there's like another local store that has, it's called Big Deal Outlet. I don't know, I think it's just local to me, but if you have something like that around like your area, definitely go check it out, because you guys, I struck gold. Like, I literally found so many cute things, and I'm gonna show you guys. And also I am wearing my In My Crochet Era sweater. I got it as a gift from my sweet sister for my birthday. So oh, and fun fact, I bought a bunch of stuff to make like a cute basket, because it's gonna be her birthday on Mother's Day. So yeah, I was like really excited about all the things that I found. And sorry about like the setup, it's nothing fancy, but I'm in the process of probably moving soon, and I didn't want to like make it all nice if I'm gonna have to redo it all over again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and let's see, I'm gonna show you what I found. Okay, so first I found this for me, and it's an Elo water bottle. It is kind of dirty, but it does work. It has like the straw and everything. I just need to wash it. But this, I thought I would use it for like my smoothies, because lately I've just been like into smoothies. Instead of like drinking 2 cups of a coffee, I just drink coffee in the morning, and then I do a smoothie if I'm feeling like I need more coffee. But don't worry, I still have my coffee. It's like a thing I'm into right now. And yeah, I think there's nothing wrong with it. It was just dirty, and it was $5.99, and I actually had this, I think it was so funny because I actually had this on my Amazon cart, and I was gonna purchase it. I think it was $12.99. It was just a different color, but this one's cute too. So yeah, $5.99. It's pretty nice. Okay, so the thing that I was most excited about is, if you guys been following me, you guys know that I love the Impress nails. You guys, these, I don't know if you can see them, they're like French tips. Those $2.99. I think these are like $9.99 at Walgreens and Amazon. Sometimes I get them on Amazon, sometimes at Walgreens. So I was like, oh my god, I struck gold. And then I found a bunch of these, and I think I got all of like the stock on there. I'm sorry, but I had to. I went crazy. Then they had these. I really like this shape too. $2.99, you guys, $2.99. Okay, I also found these, $2.99. And then these are like so pretty. They are sparkly, and these are short nails, like square ones. I think I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna put them on because I don't have anything right now. I think I'm gonna actually put these on after this video, but I'm actually not going to publish this video after Mother's Day, because I don't want my sister to know what I bought. So because most of these things are for her. Okay, and this is all going into her cute little birthday basket. And then I found this Sour Patch Sally Hansen nail polish. The color is super cute. And then this one, I don't know, it just reminded me of like a birthday cake. So I thought they would be perfect for her basket. Okay. I also found these Essence makeup brushes, and then I got one for her and one for me. I also found this Essence sponge for $1.99. I don't know how much these are, but I'm guessing they're more expensive. Okay, and then I found this e.l.f. camo makeup powder. I believe it's a makeup powder, and this one was $2.99. I had to get this one, you guys, because I love e.l.f., so this is a must. Okay, and then I also got her this weird blush that is black, and I guess it turns into like a different color when you put it on. I believe she told me that she wanted something like this, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna grab it. So all of those goodies are going to go into her birthday basket, and I'm so excited. So I know she's gonna love them. Okay, and then let me see, I thought I got something else. Okay, well, that's it for like the big deal outlet. If you guys have that in your area, let me know, you guys. And because I'm interested. I do live in Utah, so maybe it's like a Utah thing, but I have not seen one in another city. It's just like the city that I'm living right now. So let me know if you have something similar to that, because you guys know that I love like a good deal. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what I found at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is not going into her basket, but I've been looking for these everywhere. They're like the command hooks, and the Dollar Tree that I go to usually had like the tiny ones, but I wanted these for like the mesh net that I did. I do have a video before this, hopefully you guys have watched it, but these are helpful to hang things on, so they will be useful for that. But I got a couple of them because I know she needed some and I need some too. And then I found a Real Techniques Miracle Cleanse sponge, and it's this cute little pink sponge here. I believe it's for like exfoliating, it's not for your makeup. But every time I see Real Techniques at the Dollar Tree, I just get it. So I got 2 of them, and one of them is for her, one of them is for me. I just think all of the things that I got are like on theme. I'm like, you guys, I'm shopping like if it was for me, but I'm sure she's gonna love them. And then I found this cute tumbler at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if you guys have seen, but people have been buying like the ones that are mason jars. I could not find those anywhere, you guys. I went to like 5 stores, 5 Dollar Trees, and I could not. I think they're just like, once they run out, they don't stock them. But they did have this, and they had other colors, but this is the one that I like the most, so I went for this. But yeah, you guys, if you guys like Dollar Tree hauls and stuff like that, let me know and I could do more for you guys, because I'm like always there. Like I always go to see like if they have new things, new yarn, all that fun stuff. And sometimes they have like really nice things, but they do not stock them again, so it's like once in a lifetime thing that you have to get them. But yeah, and then I also recommend going to like all the Dollar Trees that are local to you, because sometimes one of them has a certain thing and then the rest will have different things. So I literally yesterday I went to 5 different ones, and I was trying to look for a basket to put all these things on, but they didn't have like a cute pink basket. Like I think they ran out of all those cute ones, so I'm gonna have to go to like Target or Walmart or somewhere else. But yeah, and then oh, there's one more thing. The last thing that I got was these Pond's facial wipes. I really like Pond's, you guys. The Dollar Tree sells like this Pond's face cream that I love. So that, and then just this little thingy for like her balloons, and that's pretty much it, you guys. But the thing that was most excited was about these Impress nails, you guys. You guys know that I am obsessed with these because I'm not going to spend so much money on my nails. And $2.99, I probably have like a good 2 months worth of like nails. But sometimes I get bored and I just take them off after a week, but you can easily wear them longer than a week if you take care of them. But yeah, and there's no glue needed, so yeah. So that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you like more videos like this showing you the deals that I found, because I am thinking that I'm going to go back to that store and see if I find any like more goodies. So if you want more hauls like this, let me know in the comments. And I hope you guys have a good, I hope you guys had a good Mother's Day, because this video will be going up after Mother's Day. But yeah, I hope you have a good Mother's Day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.